My beautiful people, welcome back to the screen of my phone. So guys, as you all know, I love using my phone to record my videos. So in this video today, I'll be reviewing a website that you can sign up if you are a writer. Now, I have a lot of people on this website, on this channel, that have showed interest in writers gig and in opera news. Some got rejected, some got accepted. So that is why I'm creating this video, because I want to show you guys another website that can pay you to write. So the first thing I'll be doing is opening my Chrome browser. I've done short on this website, so people have requested that I create a larger content, like a full detailed content on how they can register, because they can't even find the register button. So I would like you to stay to the end of this video for you to know how you can register and at least make $45 an hour from working on this website, or from accepting contract on this website. You understand? So I'll come here and I'll type in ProBlogger. ProBlogger is PROBLOGGER, pro, then blogger. So you just type it in and you click on the first link. Now this particular website will pay you to write blog posts, articles, and you can work from anywhere you are in the world. So if you have not signed up, if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please do what to click the subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. I love you and I'm grateful. And if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Biko, please like this video. And I'm saying thank you for liking the video. So guys, let's just watch. As you can see, the website has opened, but all you can see here are the available jobs. So now go through the available jobs and pick whichever one you know that you can do. As you can see, these jobs are recent jobs. This one is March. This one was uploaded March 13, March 13, March 13. And all are looking for writers from anywhere in the world, like freelance writers anywhere. Some are contracts. Like the contract means that maybe for a specific period of time. Maybe a contract is just like a company trying to reach out to you and asking you that, okay, we want to work with you, but maybe for like 6 months or a year. So depending on how you want it. Now I want you, because once you are able to sign up on this website, you need to create your CV. You understand? I uploaded a video first. The first thing you need to do is to get certificate on your field. You understand me? So as a writer, you need different certificates to show that yes, a writer is also a reader. So go to digitaldefynd.com. I have a video on that, and download free certificate of courses that you will be able to attend for free. You understand? Download certificate on SEO, on blog post, on how to write, writing skills, all those things. Just download about 2 or 3 certificates. You understand? And then you have it on your phone for your job. Now take a look at all those things. Then after then, I would like you to go and redo your CV. You understand? I gave you a website a few days ago. The website will redefine your CV for you. As in, it will redefine your CV for you in a way that you can use it anywhere you are in the world. And you can use it to apply for any job you want. Okay, so if you have not liked this video, please hit that like button. Hit that like button. Thank you. So as you can see, there are a lot of jobs here, starting from the present to the list of them all. So what we just do is, I want to come back up here. I want to choose a recent freelancing job. As you can see, I think I will be choosing freelance writer for articles and blog posts. Now, the easiest way for you to get approved or accepted or get contacted by a client is when, as a newbie, try to look for smaller companies. You understand? Let me just show you. Like this one here, if I click on it, this shout box, as you can see, it says small business. Please take note, as a newbie, try working with someone with small business. There are bigger business on this same website, but if it's a small business, you both will know that okay, you are a small business and me too, I'm just starting up. Then we can both work things out. You understand? So as you can see, it says work can be done remotely. Location is anywhere. It doesn't matter if you are in Jigawa or this, as long as you are able to have a good, what will I call it, a good CV, and you have some certificates to show for it. And I've given you two websites that you can get these two things done. So definitely, or obviously, you do not have an excuse. You understand? So read through the description of the job. It says we are in need of content writers to join our team and blah blah blah. Then read through the responsibilities, because the responsibilities will enable you to create a beautiful profile. You understand? Proficiency in researching and crafting thoughtful. Like I said, for you to be a good writer, you also have to be a good reader. You understand? In tone with and open to learning, report then requirement must be familiar with creating content with optimized, that is optimized for SEO as well. Now, on that free website that you can download your certificate, free certificate, there are courses on SEO. And if you don't want that, you can also go on Allison. Allison has some courses on how to write a blog post, SEO writing, and all those stuffs. So the next thing you just read is the compensation plan. Here you need to be sure that it is what you want. Like it is what you are okay with. It says writers will receive $45 an hour base pay. That is the starting pay they are starting with. Any writer, $45 an hour, with the opportunity for higher rate depending upon the complexity of the assignment. So if they continue working with you, as time goes on, they will be giving you bigger projects and be increasing your earning. Now oyinbo no be like some employers for Nigeria that will just bombard you with work, and as your work is increasing, your salary will not increase. So they are very, very considerate. You understand? So this $45 an hour, let's just do the rough math. I want to minimize this now, and then I'll open my calculator, because I just want you to, some of us just needs a push to go extra mile and work more or work hard on ourselves. So as you can see, if dollar is $750, naira, it has to be 750 times 45. Now every hour you'll be earning 33,000. Now please take note, you might not be able to write an article in 1 hour, or you have to work hard on yourself for you to earn that kind of money. So it says you just read about the company. It says welcome applicants from all backgrounds to apply. Diversity and inclusion are more than a mantra here. We believe that uniqueness is a strength that can help accelerate us on the pathway to success. Uniqueness is what helps us differentiate our services and stand out in the sea of marketing services. So, guys, please note they accept people all over the world. As you can see, you have heard from the horse's mouth. That's why I made emphasis on applying to a small business firm. So if you are new here, please try to click on these tips for applying online safely, because it will help you maximize your chances of applying for jobs. Give you a heads up or advise you on how to apply for job online and how you can be conscious, because a lot of phishing websites are online. So Now there is an ebook on the Telegram channel. That ebook particularly is compiled by a Nigerian lady, Mrs. Temi. She's a full-time remote worker and she has done a great job in compiling over 100 legit websites where you can apply for jobs online. You understand? So I have that ebook on my Telegram channel. So the next thing here is for us to apply for this job, we need to register. So we click this register button. I will be inputting our details. Here I have to input a username, I have to input password and repeat the same password again. And then you input your account information. You understand? So I'll just input all these details here right now. But while I do that, I need to pause a bit, so I will input it and then let you know. But then again, let me just go through the account information. Account information: first name you input, last name you input, your email address, you input your phone number. If you have a website, fine. If you don't have a website, it's not a crime. You understand? But if you have a LinkedIn account, you can input it, or a Facebook profile, you can input it. Show your resume in search results. It means that once you upload a resume on the website, it can show your resume when people are looking for workers that they want to work with, thereby giving you opportunity to get messages from clients, even if you didn't send a proposal to them. So you have to upload a profile picture, you input your address, you input your country. As you can see, when you come down here, you look for Nigeria, for you to know that they accept Nigerians or anyone from anywhere in the world. So you click on this Nigeria. They even accept people from Niger, from Pakistan, from New Zealand, from Kenya, from Monaco, from Mexico, from all over the world. So right now I'm just clicking on Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. Now your state or your province. Your state or your province means if you are in Lagos State, you input Lagos State. If you are in Ondo State, you input Ondo State. Your city. So let's say for instance, you are in Abuja. Once you input Abuja, your city might be FCT. You understand? Or once you input Lagos, your city might also be Lagos back. Now you look for the zip code that is associated. You look for the zip code that is associated with your state. Just go to Chrome and open zip codes in Nigeria. Type in zip codes in Nigeria and you pick the zip code that's associated with your state and you put it here. Now the category is either you're a blog or article writer. Now they have a lot of jobs this thing here, even if you are not just a blog writer. If you are into branding, community management, copywriting, customer service, data entry, ghostwriting, graphic design, whatever you are into, they have this thing here. As you can see, VA, administrative support. So I'm going in with blog or article writing. Now you can get other jobs right here online, right on this website, but I think they do more of blog posts and blog writing jobs. So the professional headline, it is what you want them to just describe you, how you want to be described in just few words. You understand? Maybe you want to say an experienced customer service representative, or an experienced content writer, or an experienced article writer, or a professional blog writer, whichever one you want. Now there are other freelance categories you can choose from. You understand? You that you are a content writer, you can also apply for a personal assistant or virtual assistant. Now it means that if they have other jobs in other fields, they will send you notification in your Gmail. You understand? That is why these other categories are included. So here I'll just be including personal assistant or virtual assistant. So, and then the next thing here is you go down here and you input your bio. You go down here, before bio you have to input a writing topic. You understand? So I will just name it, I'm just giving you instances. I'll just name it article or blog writing. The next thing is a little profile summary. Oluwakemi by name, and a content writer who has written articles for Opera Mini and other big websites or other big companies in Nigeria. I have also written article for HubSpot, and my articles have been rated as one of the best. Now, I am a graduate of literature and a professional SEO content writer. You understand? Now you need to present yourself. There is what we call branding. You need to brand yourself. Okay, if you don't want to use a professional, you can just use a content writer or an SEO writer. That's if you know you have issues with probably being an experienced writer or whatever you call it. The next one is you add your experience. Now you can use the experience you have in your CV to add your experience. If you've ever taught in a school before, you will add it here as your experience. You understand? You click on it, you had it when you started, your primary position, your company, that is all these details are in your CV. So the next thing you have is education. Now this education is mostly tertiary, maybe NCE, ND, poly, university, anyone you have, just input it here. Now you have your newspaper space. It says stay in the know. It means you have to click this newspaper space so that you will be able to get notification from them whenever there is a job relating to your field. The next thing is I am not a robot, and you hit on register. Now it might take, once you hit on register, they will send you a verification link. You click on it. So let me just do this quickly for you guys. Please note your profile picture must be 300 kilobytes. You can send it to a friend on WhatsApp. Ask the friend to screenshot and then send back to you kilobytes. So what you just need to do is to click on register. After you register, you cross check and register. After you register, you will see something like you have been registered. Then you log in and go to the job you want to apply for. Then you click on the apply button, as you can see, and it will open their website or their page, application page for you. What you just need to do is to fill in your details. Once you fill in, you let them send you a reply, and you can apply to as many jobs as you can. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.